Hey everyone, welcome. So thank you very much for joining me in this video. My name is Mike. Now, if you're new to this channel and this is the first time you are checking out my channel, first of all, thanks for checking it out. I want to introduce myself. My name is Mike and this is IPO Market Watch is what this channel on YouTube is called. But I do not focus only on IPOs, so I want to let you know about that. It's not only about IPOs. This channel basically covers everything. I cover stocks already trading in the market anyways. The reason is because they used to be IPOs or they used to be direct listings, and I don't want to just stop on, like cover them only on the day they go public and that's it, right? So I do come back even a year or 2 years or 3 years or 5 years later and so on, although this YouTube channel is 2.5 years old. So if you like this channel and you like the content, please consider hitting the subscribe button, because that is actually the biggest help you can give to the channel and biggest support, along with sharing the video in your social media network, which would be awesome. Now, with that being said, everyone, I want to point out something that happened yesterday on my Discord. So obviously yesterday the stock market was closed, but I did talk about ticker symbol EVAX. And I mentioned in my Discord here, I said, keep an eye out for this pre-market Monday, right? So I'm warning yesterday on Sunday that we should look at this as soon as pre-market begins. On Monday, we really need to look at ticker symbol EVAX, and I gave the reason why here, right? Now, I also told them that it closed on Friday at $1.53, and it did. It closed at $1.53 on Friday. Monday morning, as soon as pre-market began, it opened at $1.85, right? So that's not bad. It was 32 cents up, right? That's not bad, because it actually went from, after it opened at 185, which anybody could have gotten in if they wanted to, it went, last time I checked, it went up to 225, 222. So that was pretty cool. That was awesome.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
All right, guys, I think that I have found a hidden gem, and I'm very, very happy and I'm very excited, because what I have, if you follow me, is you know that I have various portfolios, right? One of my portfolios that I have is a long-term portfolio, which I call my retirement/kids portfolio. And for years, I put into that money that I want to just keep adding until I go like 70 years old. And then, I don't know, well, I'll see what I'll do with it then. Most likely, it's almost entirely most likely, I'm almost certain it's going to go to my kids. I'm just going to either just give them the portfolio as is or cash it out, or I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but it's for my kids. So I'm very excited about that. It makes me very happy. And because I want to save and do this and accumulate something big for my kids so they can have something, right? I take it as responsible as possible, right? And so a lot of the what the composition of that specific portfolio is ETFs, mostly, a lot of ETFs. And then also stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, Cisco, stocks like that, right? That I don't fear holding for years, right? So, but once in a while, if I feel, you know what, I think that I just found a gem, I really do my homework and I feel like this is awesome, I might put something that's not as good or not as sure, not as proven as Apple or a good ETF, right? And this is one that I think is going to be a hidden gem. And those hidden gems, if they work out, they can really give me way more gains than the nice classic traditional slow moving but steady and predictable ETFs. So I want to share this with you. All right. And the stock is Commercial Vehicle Group Incorporation. Let me know in the comment section below if you own this stock already, or if you've done homework in it. And if you have, let me know what you think about it and so on, because I would really be interested. I'm not perfect. I like to hear opinions from others. So the stock is trading at $9.94 right now. And, I feel like I just stumbled onto a jam. I feel like, you know what? This stock is bound to go to $20. That's not this year, but, over within the next 5 years or 2 years. I don't know. It might do it earlier. It might do it 5 years from now. I don't know. But I feel that this company is just amazing. Amazing company. Amazing. So the market cap of the company is $332 million. We have a forward PE ratio of 8.06. Volume 290,000 on average. So that's not bad. 52-week range was from $4 to $10.83. So this company is called Commercial Vehicle Group Incorporation. Together with its subsidiaries, it designs, manufactures, produces, and sells components and assemblies in North America, Europe, and the Asia Pacific regions. It operates in 4 segments: the vehicle solutions, warehouse automation, electrical systems, and aftermarket accessories. The company offers electrical wire harness assemblies that function as current carrying devices in providing electrical interconnections for gauges, lights, control functions, power circuits, powertrain and transmission sensors, emission systems, and other electronic applications. It also offers electromechanical assemblies such as box builds, complex automated and robotic assemblies, and large multi-cabinet control cabinets with power distribution. Now, the interesting part about this company is that this company is under intense accumulation since April and May, the stock, which is nice to know. The second part that I like about this company is that it is a company that solves issues for you, for other companies. So if a company has or someone has come up with an idea for a component for electric vehicles, for example, which they also do, and they have cooperations with Toyota and many other ones, and Volkswagen. And let's say Volkswagen has an idea. They came up with something for an electric vehicle component. They want to, maybe they're stuck on something. They don't know how to exactly finish it, or need production for it. Some type of assistance with that thing. This company can do that. That's what they do. So it's pretty cool. The valuation of the company is also low, very low, very low. And so and in fact, it's trading very cheap. Return margins could actually rise going forward, which I think they will. And so that's another attractive part for this stock as it sees more robust business going forward. And that's because there's also robust demand for electrical equipment in the EV market, as the EV market at some point, which already has begun to grow. EV market every year grows, right? It hasn't outperformed the traditional gasoline, petrol vehicles, obviously. Those are still dominating the market. But every single year, the EV market, and it's not just about electric vehicles, anything electrical components and other things that it could be for wind turbines and so on. This company operates in all that stuff. But the EV market, for example, because everyone finds that the coolest thing on the stock market, for example, it's a trend. That grows every year. It grows. So that's very, very promising. And when people think about the EV market, they tend to think about electric vehicle manufacturing stocks, but they don't think about companies that come up with components or critical parts and services that an electric vehicle manufacturer won't be able to complete their EV without that, right? So this is any part of the equation for the EVs, also this company. Now, Commercial Vehicle Group, like I said, it's cheap. It's cheaply priced, already selling for a depressed valuation that has somewhat discounted a very slowing manufacturing economy in America. And like I said, the upside is literally unlimited. In my opinion, this stock has a ton of upside. It's not. It can go. Who knows? It can go a lot. It can go a lot, and that's what makes me super excited to hold this. So the upside is big when it comes to EV-related sales, and going forward, 90% of Q1 wins in electrical systems continue to win globally with new customers and new product types. One new business with an emerging specialty truck company, achieved first gateway electrical systems win with EV manufacturer in China, CVG, their latest earnings were a non-GAAP EPS of 28 cents positive, which they beat by 14 cents, and a revenue of $262 million for the first quarter. And that was a 7.5% year-over-year increase. They beat by $18.6 million. If you look at the adjusted EBITDA margin, it's at 7.5% for 2023 first quarter, when it used to be 5.5% in 2022 first quarter. If we look at the revenue of the company, it's nearly $1 billion. All right, this is a really nice company. They're making good revenue. $981 million in 2022. Obviously, they're going to probably most likely 100% go past $1 billion in 2023. 2021 also was good at $971 million, and most of the years they have a revenue growth. Their gross profit is at 86.5 in 2022. Total liabilities as of 2022 were $350 million. Total debt about $152 million, which is amazing compared to the fact that they have $1 billion in revenue, right? The analysts are giving this a bullish rating. Within the next 12 months, they expect $10 minimum, 11.5 average, and a $13 high. Let me know in the comment section below, like I said, what you think about this stock. I didn't do a deep review and analysis of the company. I think that's something that people might want to do on their own, right? Because I don't want people to look at the video and then trade according to the video, which you should not. Basically, to conclude, I think that this company has amazing growth ahead of it. Huge. It's going to see more growth, more revenue. The stock is going to be worth more, in my opinion, within the next 1 to 5 years. I personally think that at this price that it is a good buy, and that I stand to gain massively, I think. So I'm very, very excited. This is one of the most top high conviction stocks, let's say, that I have. It's not your day trading type, I hope you get what I mean, but and if you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. I wish you all the best and take care.